Welcome to Afrs Analytics 101. Today, we're going to break down how data supports the recruiting mission and how you can use it to execute smarter and with precision. Analytics is not just numbers on a screen. It's how we turn information into mission success. We're going to first go over some useful types of analytics that you will see in your day-to-day operations. There are three primary types: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. Each plays a different role in how we evaluate and execute the mission. Descriptive analytics looks at past data to understand what has already occurred. It answers the question, what happened? Its purpose is simple: to provide visibility into the recruiting process. How many leads? How many appointments? How many contracts? It gives us clarity on past performance. Predictive analytics uses historical data and trends to forecast future outcomes. It answers the question, what is likely to happen? By understanding historical patterns, recruiters can make informed predictions and plan ahead with confidence. Prescriptive analytics recommends specific actions based on data analysis and predictions. It answers the question, what should we do? It helps you determine the best course of action to achieve your recruiting goals. Weekly engagement expectations are built on historical funnel volume and regression analysis. Numbered expectations align daily effort with weekly mission requirements. Written expectations provide context. They guide how to execute the numbers and where to focus effort to optimize outcomes based on specific mission demands. Office visits are conducted to assess the 7 mission-critical tasks. They evaluate performance, ensure compliance, and identify inefficiencies. Evaluators use historical data, real-time mission requirements, anecdotal input, and establish tactics, techniques, and procedures. The goal is simple: deliver actionable feedback and provide solutions. Now, let's shift to the sales funnel. There are 3 primary components that drive the science of recruiting: volume, time, and conversion rate. Volume refers to the number of leads at each stage of the funnel. It tells us how many people are entering the process and how many are progressing forward. Conversion rates represent the percentage of individuals who move from one stage to the next. This helps us measure effectiveness and identify gaps. Time refers to how long it takes for someone to move through the funnel, usually measured in days. A shorter cycle means greater efficiency and potentially more contracts. There are 6 steps in the sales funnel: lead, appointment, candidate, recruit, processor, dep. We capture time and progression rate between each stage. Volume is articulated in 2 ways. First, the volume we acquired. This is descriptive in nature. Second, this volume also determines our progression rate and provides predictive targets for future performance. Let's walk through an example. If you had 30 processors and 21 made it to dep, that means 9 closed and 21 succeeded. 21 divided by 30 equals 70%. That becomes your success rate. Once conversion rates are established for each stage, you can build your regression analysis. Start with 1 dep, divide that by the rate to determine your processor target. Then repeat that calculation at every stage. This tells you exactly how much volume you need to acquire to stay on pace. Regression analysis and key performance indicators are powerful tools. They allow us to evaluate performance, identify deficiencies, and implement actionable solutions. That is the science of a job. But the art of the job matters too. You are the art. When you combine the science with the art, you become unstoppable.